It's August 9, 2019, and we are moving towards Khewra, Jehlum district, Punjab region of Pakistan, and going to visit the second largest salt mine of the world. This mine is 160 kilometers from Lahore and Islamabad and accessed by M2 motorway about 30 kilometers from the Lilla interchange. This mine is in the mountain that are the part of Salt Range, a mineral-rich mountain system extending 200 kilometers from the Jehlum river. Khewra salt mine is located in the Khewra Jehlum district in Punjab region of Pakistan. Mine is located in the salt range of Himalayan mountains. It is the second largest salt mine of the world. Feet narrow Khewra salt mine railway track laid during the British era is used to bring salt out of the mine. This railway track is also used for tourists to visit inside the mine. But I was not using train to visit inside the mine. We were all on feet. Even my 4-year-old cousin was also moving with us. There are numerous pools of salty water inside. Water track moves with you during your whole visit inside the mine. This rapidly running water is richly supplied with minerals and salts. The mine is famous for the production of pink salt, and it is a major tourist attraction, up to 250,000 visitors per year. Salt is deposited all around in the walls of the mine, even in the left side, on the right, and even on the top of the mine. Color of salt is also changing. Sometimes it is white and sometimes it is pink. Temperature inside the mine is 18 to 20 degrees Celsius throughout the year. During hot summer, you feel cool inside the mine. These salty colored walls are richly supplied with moisture. Walls have different layers of colored salts. Khewra mine is 288 meters above the sea level. Mine comprises 19 stories, of which 11 are below the ground. From the entrance, mine extends 730 meters into the mountain, and its tunnel is about 40 kilometers. It was a hot summer day, but inside the mine, you would not feel heat. You can see the wonderful colors of salt deposited inside these walls. This salt in raw form also contains different metals like calcium, magnesium, copper, zinc, and some moisture as well. They were trying to taste and confirming the presence of salt. It was Eid holidays. That's why large number of people from the country and some foreigners were also there. After walking more than a kilometer, we observed that now mine was dividing in different tunnels. Here a small reception was there, and the receptionist was guiding the visitors. We were all moving right with the railway track. Estimate of the total reserves of the salt in the mine ranges from 82 million tons to 600 million tons. This salt is known as Himalayan salt and it is red, pink, off-white or transparent. I was moving with my brothers and cousins and they were all really excited while this visit. Here are different salty water reservoir pools are present inside the mine and this is one of them. Badshahi Masjid is built inside the mining tunnels with multicolored salt bricks about 50 years ago. Other artistic carvings in the mine includes copy of Minar-e-Pakistan, a statue of Allama Iqbal, the model of Great Wall of China and the Mall Road of Murray. There was a guide who was telling the visitors all about the mine and these carvings including this mosque and Minar-e-Pakistan and the Wall of China, about their history and their creation. All these bricks are made up of salts and the salt is of different color. It is pink, white, transparent and different light emitting diodes are installed inside these bricks. That makes this mosque charming and wonderful. From here now we are moving towards other salt made creations. Here are different rooms which are also made up of salt bricks. These are including the first aid service and many other rooms. Himalayan salt in Pakistan is best known rock salt and it is used for cooking as bath salt, as brine and as a raw material for many industries. Salt from Khewra mine is also used for decorative items like lamps, vases, statues which are exported to United States, India and many European countries. Salt deposits are also present on the top of the mine and they are enlightened by different colored lights. Here is another amazing creation. It is the copy of Minar-e-Pakistan, which is the historical building that is actually present in Lahore. From here, mine is further divided into different tunnels and one of the tunnel is moving towards the Great Wall of China. This monument of Minar-e-Pakistan, which is very tall and it is also completely built of salt bricks. Now this is another salty water pool which was in front of Minar-e-Pakistan. There were many other salt-made monuments to see. Sorry viewers, I can't show you all because I am much tired after walking more than 4 kilometers inside the mine. It was an amazing journey, full of information, and we all enjoyed it a lot. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then it must deserve a like button. Don't forget to subscribe the channel as well. Stay healthy, stay aware, remember me in your prayers.